welcome. Anyways, today we're going to be taking a look at the arcade joystick that Morgan let me borrow for today. Anyways, so this is pretty cool. So the main idea of this is to play actual arcade games on your PC or PlayStation 2. Let me just... Got it. There we go. Alright. So... Yeah. Okay, that was a close one. Anyways, so now, this is how the arcade console works. You have the joystick, and you have the 8 buttons, and these 4 over here, which I don't know what they do. I think 10 is like start or something. On an arcade board. Anyways. Sorry, I keep using the wrong voice. Anyways, now that I have this arcade stick here, I can actually show you some gameplay with Hyper Street Fighter 2 on the PlayStation 2. Which, sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate because Miss Morgan won't let me use it. Anyway, since I'm... Never mind. And, okay, so this is actually a pretty good joystick. Tomorrow I might review another joystick that is in... Oh, jeez, this is gonna be one rough video. Could you turn the light back on, please? Thank you. And, I keep forgetting what to say. Morgan, help me out, please. Just say that the arcade stick is cool. Okay. So anyway, this arcade stick is really cool. And, I guess that's all I have to say, is there? No, there's more to it. Oh, there is? Okay. What should I say next? Please, help me.
Just say that the arcade stick has a lot of features if you use it with a PC.
What are the features?
There's a... Look at the box.
What's on the box?
There's a turbo function, button remapping, and Marco function.
Oh, I see. Jacquelyn, would you stop messing with the camera? Anyways, there's turbo, button remapping, and the Marco function, which I think allows you to use the arcade stick as a computer keyboard. I think. Is that right? Is it?
I don't know, actually.
Never mind. I'm just gonna end the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment for an idea, and that's all there is to it. See ya!